Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI for seamless data analysis. Whether you're looking to visualize your sales data, track marketing performance, or make smarter business decisions, this integration is a game changer. So, let's dive in and get it set up in just a few minutes. Access your HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the Trial Guide section. This is your starting point for accessing all the necessary tools you'll need for the integration. Make sure you're familiar with this area, as it will guide you to the Apps Marketplace. Explore the HubSpot Marketplace. Next, locate the Marketplace icon in the top navigation bar of HubSpot. Click it, then select Apps to see all available integrations. This marketplace is where you can find apps that enhance your HubSpot experience, including the one we need, Power BI. Find the Power BI integration now in the marketplace search bar. Type Power BI. You'll see several options, but we're looking for the integration provided by datawarehouse.io. This particular integration ensures smooth and reliable data transfer between HubSpot and Power BI. Click on the Power BI app to open its details page. Install the app on the Apps Details page. Click Install App. Follow any on-screen instructions to authorize HubSpot to connect with Power BI. Once installed, you'll be able to access your HubSpot data directly from Power BI, giving you real-time dashboards and advanced reporting capabilities. Verify the connection in Power BI. Open Power BI on your desktop or online. Look for the new HubSpot connector and test the integration by importing a sample dataset. You should now see your HubSpot data ready for visualization. From here, you can create charts, graphs, and dashboards tailored to your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI in just a few simple steps. Now you can analyze your CRM data like a pro and make smarter, data-driven decisions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.